baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time.
Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Happy Wednesday. I am on my way to the gym. Today's video is another what I eat in a day, but I'm gonna still take you guys throughout the day to see, you know, what I get up to. I really don't eat breakfast in the morning. I usually just have a cup of coffee and some water, some tea, something like that. So I'm getting ready to fix that and go to the gym. This is a little set that I got from Amazon. Yesterday it came in and I really do like it. I could have went up a size. This is a large. I could have went for extra large because it does have a lot of that thick elastic that kind of sucks you all in. So I could have went up one more size, but I'm gonna order some more of these little sets because I love the way that they fit. But like I said, I do need like a little more room in the top. It does have these little thumb cutouts, which y'all know I love these. But I don't know if I'm gonna have my thumbs in these because this top is a little too tight. The bottoms fit good. I still have like a lot of room. They can go up pretty high. Like I have a lot of room in the bottoms, but it's just the top. Y'all know I have these big boobs. So I could have did an extra large, but it comes in a set, so you can't buy them separate. So like I said, I'm getting ready to go to the gym, get my workout on for an hour. Y'all know I just recently started my weight training, so I'm trying to stay consistent with that. That's like my biggest challenge because I really want to try to build my body, and I know that I need to do weights in order to get the look that I'm going for. And it's been a challenge for me because I don't really have my form down pat yet, so it's difficult. So I like to do my weights in the community gym or either at home, and then I go to the big gym to do my cardio. Sometimes I work on some of the machines, it just depends, but as far as like free weights and stuff like that, I won't do those in the gym, just the machines. So today is leg day. I did cardio yesterday, and then the day before that I did arms, which my arms are still pretty sore, but I did forget to stretch, so I need to make sure I stretch out these legs. And yeah, so I'm gonna fix myself some coffee. I'll let you guys watch that, then we'll come back here and get the day started. So let's go. All right, so I'm gonna do some iced coffee. So the only thing that I do is add about 3 ice cubes. This is the caramel that I like to use. I just put a little. And then this is my hazelnut cream. If I wanted it to look all fancy, I would have poured my coffee first and then the creamer so y'all can get into the whole look. But ain't nobody got time for that, okay? And this is it. This is it. This is all. This is the Stoke, the not too sweet. It's really good. And then take one of my glass straws and I mix. Probably watch a little bit of the news and drop my son off at school, and then I'm going to the gym. So I'll see y'all in a few. All right, y'all, I'm back. I did weights here in the studio. Here's my weights right here. Y'all, I'm really about to do this. Like, I really want to transform my body. I should have listened to my husband, because he always tell me, like, do your weights with your cardio, do your weights with your cardio. But I'm just like a cardio freak. I know that even if I drop the weight, I'm still not going to be completely satisfied with the way my body looks, because I'm not toning my body, because I'm not doing any weight training. But now, y'all, I'm telling y'all, I am so serious about this. Like, I'm not going crazy. I'm not trying to be like a bodybuilder or anything like that. So you weightlifting professionals, save it, okay? I'm just trying to tone up, and I'm gonna make sure that I include my weight maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Y'all know I try to work out 5 times a week with my cardio, and then I'll probably add the weight training in there like 3 times a week along with my cardio. So I'm excited about it. I'm excited to see like the changes, because I really think that's when you're gonna really see the changes. And then hopefully I can get some things popping before the summertime, and y'all gonna be like, Sharika, put on some clothes, okay? Put on some clothes, girl, okay? Because I'm gonna have the girls out. No, I'm kidding. But I was gonna wait until next month on the 1st, because I wanted to see, you know, how it would be with the full month. But I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna just start right now, and I'll just journal everything, keep track of everything, and just watch my body change. I'm really excited just to work on me. It's exciting for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaned up, put on some clothes, do my makeup. I'm not going anywhere, but I still want to feel cute, because y'all know I had a rough week, okay, with Mama Mia coming in town. So I want to feel cute. So I'm gonna, you know, get myself together really quick. I'll see y'all in a few. Okay, y'all, so it is much later in the day. I'm dressed. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day. So this is the oversized sweater that I bought from H&M. I was gonna take this sweater back, but I ended up keeping this one. And then let me get a little closer so you guys can see the details on the sweater. Really cute, simple. It has like a little mock neck, but I just love little sweaters like this that I could just throw on and wear with anything. I love this sweater. It's so comfortable. And then I just paired it with my faux leather shorts from Amazon. Super cute. I got these in a 2X because they do run small. They do have pockets, and the drawstring here that I don't have tied up, but they're really cute. Love this look. So cute. I do plan on wearing those polka dot stockings. I still haven't worn yet because I really haven't been anywhere. But so I'm dressed. I'm gonna try to get a few pictures, and I might put on my polka dot stockings just to take a picture in, but we'll see how that goes. I did go to the post office and I picked up some packages from you guys, so I'm gonna do that. But first we're gonna go ahead and get lunch out of the way, and I got lunch from HelloFresh, so thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. HelloFresh delivers step-by-step fresh recipes, pre-portioned ingredients right to your door. They offer so many delicious recipes, low-calorie options, carb smart, vegetarian, pescatarian, and I love the fact that all of this comes pre-portioned, so that's less prep and less wasted food. The mustard soy salmon, this sounds really good with pickled scallions, ginger rice, and zesty carrots. I've been really into making salmon bowls lately. I have all the ingredients here, so let's start cooking. Okay guys, so I am done with my mustard soy salmon bowl. This looks so good. So here's theirs and here's mine. Okay, so let's go ahead and have a quick little taste test. I already know this is gonna be delicious. So let's try some of this. Get a little carrots, salmon, rice. So good. So good. Go to HelloFresh.com and use code Iamsherikab16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Okay, that was great. So now I'm gonna open up, well, share with you guys what some of you guys sent me. I've already opened it because I'm nosy girl. But first I want to show you guys something that I ordered for myself from Christian Dior. It's not a bag. It's not shoes. It is the Ambre Nude. I think that's how you pronounce it. Y'all, I'm obsessed with this scent. So I ordered the fragrance and the soap. The soap came before my fragrance. The fragrance should be here tomorrow. I ordered, I think the bottle was a 4.5 ounce bottle. The one that's $2.50. But this, oh, y'all, if y'all have never smelled this, smell it. It smells delightful, okay? Oh, it has like a powdery, rich scent. I know I'm not the best at describing these scents, but baby, it's just so good. Oh my gosh, I just can't get enough. So I bought the soap. This is how the soap looks, like this. Can y'all see that? It probably has the glare, but it just has Christian Dior Paris on the front. So pretty. I'm gonna keep it for a while, just for decor in my bathroom, but I may after a while use this soap because it just smells amazing. So the first thing that I received is from Mike. Thank you so much, Mike. And these are from Amazon. Mike knows that I do like to make different cocktails on my mukbang channel. Follow me there if you guys are foodies and you're into it. I have a seafood mukbang channel. I do story times over there. It's lit over there, so y'all come check it out. I always have the link to it in the description box. But he sent me over these glasses. Thought that they were so cute. Y'all excuse the noise outside. They are always doing landscaping outside. They do landscape every single day, and that's something that I never understood. Like every day, like every day, every day. So yeah, so have some different colors in here. This one is pink. We have a green one, the blue, yellow, orange, and purple. I think the purple one is my favorite. So thank you so much, Mike. Mike is also the one that sent me over the ice machine. So thank you so, so much. And then, let me see. This is from Barbara. Thank you so much, Barbara. I've already been in this box because, again, I am nosy. So the first thing that she sent over is a mug, and it says it's giving rich auntie vibes. And this is it right here, and it has it on both sides, and then it has my name right there, period. I didn't see that the first time I looked at this mug, so thank you so much. This is the same font that I use for my YouTube banner, so that's perfect. Thank you. I love this. She got her little Dior bag and her Louis Vuitton shoes on. Don't play with her. And then, oh my gosh, I love this. Even though my boys didn't make it to the playoffs, we had some little issues throughout the year, but I'm still gonna rep my city, okay? So she sent over this Jaguar tumbler. Look at this, y'all. Oh my God! If you guys have been here for a while, y'all know I rep my city. Win or lose, I'm still gonna rep my city, and I love my Jacksonville Jaguars. I'm gonna forever be a fan. I'm gonna always support them. And she sent me over this, so thank you so, so much. I love this. I can't wait to show this to Tony when he gets home. This is so cute. I love it. So cute. So thank you so much. And then she does have a personal note in here. And let me see if she has her information here. Okay, so I will have her website across the screen. And I guess you can also locate her through the same name on Instagram. So I will have that linked. Let me just make sure. Okay, so she sent over 2 shirts. Oh, the shirt is the same thing as the mug. This is too cute. Look at that. Ah, this is so cute. Check out the kicks, okay? And then the Dior bag. This is so cute. Thank you so much. And this t-shirt is good quality. It smells nice. It's really soft. So this is nice. Very nice. Thank you so much, Barbara. And then the next one, and look, check out the branding right here. We love to see it. Okay, and then this one says, created with a purpose. Love this. I love this so much. That's something me and Ryan don't be doing. I love this. This is so cute. Created with a purpose. Can y'all see that? So cute. I'm about to put this on right now. It fit good. So this is how the shirt looks on. Created with a purpose. I love this. Thank you so much, Barbara. I'll have her information across the screen. If you guys are interested, go support her. And thank you once again, Michael, for the glasses. The purple one will be my first choice because it's gorgeous. All of them are gorgeous, but the purple one is my favorite. Make me a pretty detox water in my purple glass right now. And then I'll see you guys back here at dinner. Okay, y'all, so for dinner, I'm gonna do something light just because anytime I have like a heavy lunch, I'll usually do a light dinner, or if I know I'm gonna have a heavy dinner, I'll do a light lunch. So the HelloFresh meal was pretty heavy, so I'm not that hungry. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a salad. So I'm gonna use this spring mix. I'm gonna do some avocados, tomatoes, garlic, and some Parmesan cheese. Something really light, like I said. And then I might do like a soup or something on the side. So we'll just see how I feel after I eat my salad. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this, and that will be it for today's video.